Hey everyone, in my new group, the Toddler Code. Welcome to the new members. I don't know, I think we've had almost 20 people join this group in the last week. I'm feeling super duper excited. That art, that beautiful art right there is by my friend Lindy Kho. That's just an aside. I just think it's excuse me, there we go, special art. So I promised to come on here earlier and I wanted to talk about one of the most important keys to the toddler code and something that many parents are struggling with, which is how to keep your cool around your toddler. And I've got a really big piece of advice here, which is that it is way easier to keep your cool if you get the behavior you need before you get angry. So I'm just popping on here for a quick minute today. And I have a great offer for anyone who wants, increased understanding with their specific needs in their specific family. Go ahead and direct message me and we can always jump on a call and a free call and we can see if we want to work together more. Otherwise, go ahead and drop comments or questions here. So the point is how do we get the behavior you need before we get angry? And this is so important, and this is really one of the main things that I'm all about is not punishment, but neither too permissive. Neither one of these are good for our little children, and neither one of those different sides of the coin are going to bring out the best in them and give us the best, happiest, healthiest family life. So it is what I work with is finding those ways to let your child know what you need and standing gently firm in that. And here I'll give you just a little extra key that I'm going to explore in another video soon is how to never repeat yourself more than once. And this actually does tie in, though. These two keys tie in to each other because often we're getting angry because we are repeating ourselves over and over and over again, and yet we are not getting heard or we're not getting responses that we need from the children. And what I am going to offer here is that sometimes it's the very act of repeating ourselves over and over that then get us feeling more agitated and actually let the child know that they don't have to listen the first time. So these are some tips and tricks that I offer that I call keys that keys to the toddler code here, and it's because they match with your little one's inherent expectations. So when we keep our expectations that they want to listen to us and we show them by our actions that we expect them to listen to us, then they will listen to us and we will be able to get the behavior we need for, as I keep saying, team family to thrive. What I teach isn't pro-parent against the child, and neither is it pro-child, where the parent is, suffering. It's the super wonderful, nurturing experience that our very own nature, our very own human nature gives us, that we're meant to get along. And so here's what I do and what I offer is gentle ways, but firm ways where you get your child listening so you don't have to get angry and you can keep your cool. All right, thanks for listening. I will be going live more. Like I said, direct message me if you'd like some more personal listening ear, or otherwise feel free to use this group and I will be chiming in. And have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your evening.